So you want to learn how to win this mini drone? Stick around and find out. Okay guys, it's really easy to win the CX-10. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that way you don't miss any videos, especially the winner. Now, if I contact you, all you have to do is just message me back within 24 hours. Send me a screenshot proving that you did indeed share my video, and this CX-10 is yours. There's no gimmicks, there's nothing else. You don't have to pay me anything. I would gladly send you the CX-10 just for the fact that you subscribe to my channels for saying thank you. I will be making up a video to show you how to use this drone for a very fun game that I've created. So stay tuned for those videos. But until then, you got about 3 weeks, guys. So go ahead. If you got children and you want to buy for your son, make sure you subscribe. Make sure your son subscribes, and you both just share my video. And I'll appreciate any comments given that you're gonna give to me, saying what would you like to see me do. Again, my channel is just a fun channel. Okay guys, now if you wanted to just purchase this is the Cheerson CX-10. I'll put a link in the description below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.